What's the word, YouTube? Back with another one. SS Family here. Today I got the all black 24-inch replica rims for the Z71 Tahoe. This is the same Tahoe I bought sight unseen from the Mannheim auction. If you haven't watched my last videos, then go check it out. In the last video I replaced the two front shocks. I also replaced the ones in the back with KYB, so definitely check that video out. Very interesting content. Now if you want to buy these same wheels, I'll leave a link in the description. They come ready, fresh out the box, mounted and balanced. For a few more dollars, they could put the tire pressure sensors in there, and that'll keep that tire pressure light from coming on the dash. Two things to be aware of. One is that the price has increased about $200 due to the pandemic. The second thing is don't make the same mistake I did, order the wrong tire size. They gave me the option between 295, 35, 24 or 305, 35, 24 tire. Me being me, without reaching out to the company and asking, I chose the 305, 35, 24, and they were too big for the front. They slightly rubbed against the front wheel well. I had to shave down a part of the plastic on the wheel well so they wouldn't rub. You won't have to do this if you order the right size. I should have went with the 295 tire. Now the company I ordered from wouldn't exchange them because I specifically asked for that tire size, so it was all my fault. So if you do order these, just make sure you reach out to them and ask them what's the right size for your truck. Now these rims, they fit the Cadillac Escalade, the Escalade EXT and ESV, the GMC Yukon, the Yukon Denali, the Sierra, the 1500 Sierra, the Chevy Tahoe, the Silverado, the Suburban, and the Avalanche 2004 and up, I believe. I had ordered some Chevy center caps. They hadn't made it in yet, but just watch the video all the way to the end. I got pictures at the end. You'll see it when it's finished. Alright, I had got the two tires on the left side. I couldn't film it. The damn GoPro died on me like it always do. But I'm used to it, whatever. But anyway, you can see how the truck is sitting, and you can see how good it look. I just got to finish up on the other side, put the other two on. I could have had went 26-inch tires, but I think I like the 24s. They about the right size for me. I ain't want to overdo it. So I got my Harbor Freight Jack, my 310 Harbor Freight Jack. Also gonna use my Milwaukee tool, my Impact, one of my favorite tools. Knock off all them lug nuts real quick. Now I don't know why I was wearing this hoodie, man. It was hot as hell. I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, I got the lug nuts off now. Tire was stuck on there, so I just had to give it a good Luke Kane kick. Had to kick it with the 97 Timberlands. They've been in the family a long time. Okay, I got the old tire off. Now I got the new one on. About to put the black locks on there. Make sure you keep some locks. They won't stop a thief, but they will slow them down. There's still ways around it. Still ways to get them off. I don't know from experience. I just heard about it. Now I'm going to tighten these lugs with this impact gun. You're not supposed to do this because you can strip the locks. So don't follow me on that. Get you a torque wrench and torque them to 140 foot-pounds. That's the right thing to do. Alright, now we all good. I got all four rims on. She looking top flight. Now I'm about to compound a couple areas on the body that had light scratches, swirls, scuff marks. After that, I'm going to hand wax it. My favorite compound polish and wax is Meguiar's. I always use Meguiar's Gold Class wax on black vehicles, especially because it just bring out a deep shine. You can't resist it. Now everything I use or I recommend, I always put a link in the description, so that'll help y'all out if you want to get the same thing I get. You know, you can also get good deals on these products at Walmart, but more than likely I try to put like an Amazon link. Meguiar products, they kind of expensive, I ain't gonna lie, but they worth every penny if you ask me, and I'll help y'all out any way I can, because when you put your whip on the street, you want that thing to turn heads, at least I do. Most definitely. Now I always start with the compound first. All the little areas they got like swirls and scuff marks, I hit it with the compound just to knock it out. And then after that, I hit it with the polish, the whole car. And then I hit it with the glaze last, the wax. Now you can also use a buffer, but in this video I ain't used the buffer. The buffer more effective and it's more quicker. So that's what I like. So yeah, I mean, after this video that I filmed, this was the last video with the Tahoe, and it's gone. I sold it, and I kind of regret it, cause it was like one of those trucks that like I always wanted, and it was the right color, cause I always wanted a black one with some black rims on it, and I finally got it. I set it up to how I want everything to how I want. I put music in it, and, I put the smoke tail lights on it, everything, but the guy, he made me an offer I couldn't refuse, so I let him have it. And it is what it is. We'll get some more cars, but for a 2007, man, that thing was in good shape, real good shape. Yeah, most definitely, I love it, but I'm chasing that Escalade, of course, man. I can't stop until I get that Escalade V. I just seen it the other day on Ratty's Rides, I think it is, on YouTube, and he had a red one down in Daytona, and man, that thing is beautiful. So that's my dream car. My dream truck, I should say, is the Escalade V. That's the one I want to get. So, but in the meantime, we'll keep making these little videos, keep uploading content, and just keep everything rolling, man. We got old schools. I got an 86 Colors, 86 Monte Carlo. My guy, he got an 87 Monte Carlo. We could film some footage with. I'll be doing test drives at the auction. Let you guys see, like, certain cars that consumers want, and how much I could get it for and all that. So I just want to take this little YouTube thing a little bit more serious, and just put more content out there, man, and just kind of show what I do on a daily basis, because I enjoy what I do. And sometimes we have slow periods, and that's part of the game, but I never give up this part of my life, because I enjoy it. It's in my blood, man. My father did this, and I just want to keep the legacy going. I was blessed to have him, man. Everything he taught me, man, about cars is just, you wouldn't believe it. He was really a car guy. He did this day in and day out. So I miss him a lot. He died in 2013, rest his soul. So, I dedicate this channel to him, the SS family. He was a Chevy guy. I'm a Chevy guy. We some GM guys. So I definitely dedicate this channel to him. And, just thinking back on his life, I was just blessed to have him. So it is what it is. But anyway, I'm trying to work my way up to that 2023 Escalade V. I don't know if y'all seen it yet, but if y'all haven't, check it out on YouTube. That new Escalade V. That's that thing, man. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Thank y'all a lot. Subscribe, and shit, love y'all, man. Peace out.